Hey, Mr. Ryan, 1 month old. You playing on your play mat? Yeah. Haha, look at that happy face. Oh, I'm trying to get that elephant here. Take off your gloves. There you go. What do you see, buddy? There you go. Can you get the monkey? Can you get this monkey? You like the monkey? Get the monkey. Yeah? You like the elephant? Here he comes. Whee! Where'd he go, Ryan? Where'd he go? Say hey, everybody. Ryan. Make some baby noises for us? I'm not gonna talk. You want to get him? You got him? There you go. It's alright, bud. Alright, see you later, everybody.